Open your browser and go to the Yahboom official website. Open the Jetson Nano Section 1 material in the online course. Take a photo, then organize the text in the photo into a table and send it to me. Hi Yahboom, help me organize the fields on my desktop.
The files on the desktop have been sorted and organized. Task is completed.
Please help me with the temp task and remind me in 2 minutes.
2 minutes scheduled. Task timeout.
Write a Python code to make two cells beat like heart. RGB lights synchronously flash right in line. OLED screen display pulsating electrocardiogram. Take a photo, analyze the location coordinates of the yellow dot in the photo, and send them to me, and display them on the OLED screen. Hi Yahboom, dance for me. Hi Yahboom, what can you see?
Indoor scene, gray grid background. There are many colorful fruit models such as bananas, strawberries, pears, oranges, eggplants, etc. on the table.
Hi Yahboom, what is the indoor temperature?
Indoor temperature is 26.4 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 55%. Comfortable weather.
Detecting the current growth status of the plant and providing care suggestions based on the surrounding temperature and humidity.
The indoor temperature is currently 28.5 degrees Celsius, humidity 55%, leaves are yellowish green, need watering care.
Hi Yahboom, tell me a story.
Okay, I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a brave knight named Sir Cedric.